Big update! We just rolled out one of our most requested features on the Droplet app, and I cannot wait to show you. Introducing SmartArc, Droplet's new way of tracking your water usage with personalized limit alerts so you can save on your water bills while actually building better habits. Here's how it works. On your Droplet dashboard, you'll see your usage today displayed in the SmartArc. Right below it, tap Set Limit Alert to get started. Here, you can choose to set your limit by gallons, percentage of your daily usage, or use one of Droplet's smart presets. These presets are generated based on your own water usage data, so the recommendations are tailored to your home. For this tutorial, let's use the percentage option. Just enter the percent you want to set as your limit. The app will automatically convert that percentage into the exact number of gallons, along with your weekly, monthly, and yearly limits automatically calculated by Droplet. You can update or remove your limit anytime based on your goals and preferences. This is a huge release for Droplet. SmartArc makes it easier than ever for us to stay aware of our usage, understand our patterns, and save money while building better habits in the long run. It's live in the app now, so go try it out and let us know what you think.